Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to on off touch vibration on Realme mobile. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you are going to find the sound option. So click on sound. When you click on sound, you are going to find this feature. So from here just scroll down like this. Okay, so here on the down you are going to find the touch vibration. So if you want to on this touch vibration here, just click on this icon like this. Here the touch vibration will be on, and if you want to off touch vibration, just click on this icon again. Here the touch vibration will be off. Okay, and this is the touch sound. If you want to on, you can on, and if you want to off, you can off. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.